Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport, carrying by Sydney. I got this Mercedes-Benz model SLK55 model 171. The roof does not work, so today I'm checking all the actual limit switches on this vehicle. So we have repaired the actual hydraulic ram that was leaking pretty bad, but at the same time it's got a hydraulic leak and a electrical problem as well, which the roof doesn't work. So you can actually bring the windows down, but you can't, the roof doesn't move at all. So I'll try to go through and show you guys what I'm doing, so because sometimes you get very confused. So if you're looking for the actual S119 tubular frame open limit switch, I'll tell you this one, it's right here. S119 is this one here, which actually connects to the actual, wraps around that rod there. That's the one. And to check it, the switch is just here. If you want to make sure it clicks, you look at the switch inside there, little green lever there inside, little green rubber. If you just got to pull it up, make sure it clicks, and you look at the actual computer, it will show identified, not identified, on, off, on, off. Alright, and that's how you test that little switch, and that's the location of that switch. And the other switch as well is S118. It's the tubular frame lock switch. It's inside here, so you got to remove this cover here and then do the same thing, make sure the switch is not broken, and then test it. So I'm just doing small videos, so it doesn't get too long, otherwise it gets too long. If you're looking for these switches, if you have a Mercedes-Benz, this is how you test them. And I'm just going to do S119 and S118, and I'll do another video on the other ones, so it's nice and easy, not confusing.